You want to fight, right? Okay, I'm ready. Nice try. Ottoman Empire. No, it's my turn. Don't do this. You are not like this, India. What do you want me to do then? He was the one attacking me. I can't let him take my land. Let's try to handle this peacefully.
What are you doing, India? I thought you would attack me.
Can't you see him?
See whom? Only we two are here.
Okay, fine. I'm kinda believing you. Maybe you are not a mythical creature. Yeah, I told you. So what's next? First, you have to make the Ottoman Empire your friend and revive Pakistan. Wait, what? It's not possible. It is possible. Pakistan is alive. You just took over his land.
Maybe India has gone really mad. He is talking to himself.
Wait for some time. I am discussing something important. What will be my benefit in giving Pakistan his land back? King Dynasty is stuck in other dimension. And Soviet Union is not your friend anymore. You need friends, India, and Pakistan and Ottoman Empire will be good friends for you. And what about Wolf? Should I say sorry to Wolf? Of course, you should say sorry to Wolf as well, but before that, give Pakistan his land and befriend Ottoman Empire. But how will I befriend Ottoman Empire? I don't know how, but do it. Okay, let's see what I can do. I told you, right? Wait for a second.
You are mad, India. But I'm not like you. I will not waste time. It's your end.
Shout out to